Hello everyone, welcome back to Civil Engineering by Shravan YouTube channel, and if you are not yet subscribed to our channel, please click on subscribe button and click on bell icon for more interesting updates on civil engineering. So behalf of the Teachers Day, we are providing 85% to 90% discount on all civil engineering courses. The complete civil engineering courses like Stat Pro, ETABS, SAP 2000, Rivet Architectural Software and Primavera P6 software courses are available in our application. We are providing one day offer. This offer is only for 5 students only. For the single pack, the cost is 999, and for 2-in-1 pack, the cost is 1,999. The 3-in-1 pack is 2,999. 4-in-1 pack is 3,499, and 5-in-1 pack is 3,999. Along with that, we are also launched the lifetime validity pack offers, which is having 4,999 rupees. So if you are really want to interest in the civil engineering courses, so try to utilize this offer. If you have any queries about the courses and offers, you can once pin me to my WhatsApp 9908332747 so that you will get the reply from my side. Thank you. We will continue from our lecture, which is related to complete design of the G+5 building structural model by using ETABS software.
In this video, I will explain you complete designing of the building by using ETABS software in CSI detailing version software after the analysis. So initially I will show you the model which I was done with a complete analysis process by using ETABS software. Now you can see this is the model. I was checked with results in the previous class. You can watch the class for complete models. So after analysis process completed, we need to design the structure according for the getting the reinforcement design results as per the analysis considerations values. So for that, initially we need to add the strip condition system for the slab. So for this structure, it is consisting of the number of the slabs are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For this 6 number of the slabs, we need to add the strip condition systems. If you not add the strip condition system for the slab design results will not be shown in ETABS software. That's why we need to add the strip conditions initially. For that, go to edit option. So here it is consisting of add edit design strips here option like this, but it is not unlocked. It was locked with this particular option. So in order to unlock this particular options, we have to unlock the model after the analysis. Go to unlock here, click on OK option. So then it will be activated your options like adding edit grid strips for this particular project. So go to edit option. Now we can see here add edit grid strips will be displayed here like this. Click on this option. So it will be consisting of edit grid width and add grid strip condition system. We are not added any kind of the grid strips. That's why we had to select the add edit grid strips. So the dialog box will be open here like this, which is consisting of tower and story options parameters here like this. So tower is nothing but the building, story is 5th story, and which is consisting of the parameter. So here initially I am selecting the 5th story. I need to add the 5th story grid strips in X direction as well as the Y direction condition system. So initially I am selecting X direction condition with the strip layer is A. Click on apply option so that it will apply the strip condition system for the 5th story. Now we can see the pink color lines are appeared in this particular 5th story in the horizontal direction. In the same process, we will select the direction as Y direction condition system with the strip layer is B. Click on apply option so that it will display the Y direction condition strip layer here like this. In the same process, we have to select the 4th story. We will apply the strip condition system in X direction with A condition system. Click on apply so that it will apply the strip condition system at the 4th level. In the same process, we will select the strip condition system which is related to Y direction condition with the B layer. Click on apply option so that it will apply the strip condition system in Y direction also. After this, we will select the story number 3 with the strip layer is X. Again, we will select as A. Click on apply option so that it will apply the strip condition system at this level, and we will apply the strip condition system which is exist in Y direction with the B layer. Click on apply option so that it will apply the strips here in the 3rd story. In a similar process, we will select the 2nd story. So with the grid layer is X with the strip layer is A. Click on apply. Again, we will apply the strip condition system for the Y direction with the B layer in this particular section. So Y I am selecting here with the strip layer is B. Click on apply. Again in the same process I am selecting the story number which is related to 1st number with the strip direction is X with the A. Click on apply option. After this, we will apply the grid direction which is related to Y direction condition system with the strip layer is B. Click on apply option. In the same process, we will apply the last grid which is related to the ground story level for this particular project. Just I am selecting ground with X and this is A layer. Click on apply option. Now in the same process, we will select the direction which is related to Y direction condition system. Layer is B option here. Click on apply option. After this, we will click on the OK option so that it will add all the grid strips condition system for the particular slab here like this. So after adding all the grid strip condition system, once again we will do the analysis process by using ETABS software. So for that, go to click on this analyze option. So it will do the analysis process with the considerations of the strip condition system for the building. Now here you can see that complete analysis process was done. Firstly, we will design the frame sections which is related to beams and columns. For that, go to design option here. It is consisting of the design property like steel frame design, concrete frame design, composite column and joint, etc. So I was already explained in the user interface for this particular option here like this. Go to design option initially. Click on the concrete frame design. So in this initially we will select the view revisor preferences option. Firstly, we will select the view revisor preferences related to design code. So here you can see it will be available with different types of the codes from this particular section. We will select only IS 456-2000 from this list. If you know the parameters like number of interaction curves, number of interaction points, you can edit here. And if you know the value of the gamma and gamma of the concrete and live load factor, if you know the value, then you can enter. Otherwise, keep it as constant values. Click on OK option. After this, we will go to design option directly. Click on the concrete frame design here. Directly select the start designing check option so that the frames which is related to the beams and columns will be designed according to IS 456-2000 code. So now we can see here it was done with complete analysis process. It is showing the longitudinal reinforcing according to IS 456-2000 code. If you wanted to display with another results, you can click on the design concrete frame design results. You can click on the display design information. If you want the results like rebar percentage, shear reinforcement and column and etc., you can select here. Just I am selecting rebar percentage. Click on apply option so that it will display the diagram which is related to the percentage of the rebar which is applied on that particular member as per the design. You can click on this option. So you can see here. So this is the percentage of the rebar which is applied on this particular member here like this. So after this I am selecting this 3D diagram. So it is consisting of complete diagram here like this. After this we have to design the slab section. Before that we will see the reinforcement design results here in this ETABS software, not detailing software. So for that select any one of the column. Just I am selecting here the column is obtained as 0.8% of the steel. So if you select the beam particular column, then it will show you the value. Right click on this option. So it will be consisting of overview for this particular column. So click on OK option and you can select the details option here so that it will display the complete details which is considered for this particular project in the PDF format. You can print this particular PDF based on your printout or else you can directly take as Word file format. Now I will show you complete slab design results. Before that we will see the one beam results. Click on this option. So click on the details option so that it will show you the details according to IS code provision standard system. In the same process we will do the slab designing check. For that go to design option here. Next I am selecting design. So here it will be consisting of the slab design, concrete slab design section. Click on the view revised preferences option initially. We will select the gamma value of the steel, gamma value of the concrete and we will select the design code according to IS 456-2000 code provision standard system. So click on OK option which is available with the different types of the codes also. You can select IS 456, click on OK. Now after this we have to design the slab. Go to design option, concrete slab section. So directly select your respected start designing check. So it will ask you to select the stories, which story do you want to design. So here I need all the story except the base. Why? Because the base will not be consisting of the slab section. That's why I am selecting here as ground story, first story, second story, third story, fourth story, fifth story. Click on OK option so that it will do the analysis process for the particular slab section under the considerations of the load. Then after that it will show you the complete results diagram which is related to strip design results. So this is the slab design strip results. It is consisting of complete area of the reinforcement which is required for that particular section in longitudinal reinforcement bars as well as the lateral reinforcement bar for this particular building. So after this we have to save this model. Go to file option here, click on the save option. So now we have to see this reinforcement diagram values in CSI detailing version software. For that we have to close this ETABS software. Now we have to open the CSI detailing version software. Just I am selecting here. Now after this we will import the model which we are done with complete designing in ETABS software to CSI detailing version software. For that go to file option. So it is consisting of new detailing. We are not done the model in the previous session. That's why just I am selecting new detailing. So after that it will open the box here like this. Click on open EDB file. So it will ask you to select the model. So desktop G+5 building FG. Just I am selecting. Initially this model will be imported to ETABS software. Then after that it will open in CSI detailing version software. So firstly it is opening in ETABS 18 version software. After this it will import it to CSI detailing version software. We will wait for some time for importing model. Here you can see it was importing the data, grid, stories, joints, frames for this particular building model. It will take some time for importing. Data is extracting out of 474. It was imported and done. So it is related to shells also. It is also importing. So here it is showing that pier summary results are not available and warning of spandrella summary results are not available. So here we are not added any kind of the spear as well as the spandrella. So that's why we can click on the OK option directly. Now after this we have to select the detailing units initially. Click on this option and select the units according to your metric system and set as SI system. If you can select as per user, you can select. So here I am selecting SI system. Dimensions for the view and drawings. Length, just I am selecting here as mm. Section and thickness will be millimeter. Rebar spacing will be in millimeter. Force we have to select as kilonewton option. After this we will select the material quantity units. Rebar length just I am selecting here as meter. Slab area square meter and volume cubic meter. Rebar weight kilogram. Click on OK option. After this we will select the select preferences option which is available in the below this. So don't edit any kind of the information in the slab beam column. So it is consisting of the default information according to the given section. So you can click on this option. You can check that default information for the particular section. So here it will be consisting of the select parameters. It is having three parameters like use default building preferences and use saved preferences and standard preferences. If you select the default, according to the default program of the ETABS detailing version software, it will design the slab building structure. If you select by user saved user preferences, it will based on the user preferences, but we will select use standard preferences and we will select as per IS 456-2000 code. Click on OK option. After this we will select the detail preferences, concrete detail preferences. You can check that particular concrete preferences, no need to change anything. So click on display preferences information. If you want you can edit, but this is important related to rebar rules option. So here in this case we have to provide the minimum spacing as well as the maximum spacing for the structure. So for that just I am selecting here as slab. For the slab minimum spacing I required is approximately 120 mm. Here I am considering. Maximum spacing is 300 mm. I am considering according to considerations. And in the same process, if you want, you can consider the smallest bar size, depends upon the considerations. So here I am taking 8 mm diameter bar is the smallest bar size. Beam, you can edit the spacing also in the beam. So in the beam, just I am selecting same 120 mm for this particular section and 120 mm for this particular section. If you want, you can modify this center to center distance minimum spacing value. So here I am selecting 300 is the maximum, 300 is the maximum, 300 is the maximum. After this we will select the column. So it is consisting of the bar number, bar size and smallest bar size. Smallest bar size just I am selecting here as 12 mm bar size and ties, sorry, not bar size. It is 14 mm, and you can select the bar number as smallest as 12 mm if you want. You can consider, and minimum spacing is just I'm selecting here as 120. If you want, you can consider 150, but if you consider 150, the reinforcement bar diameter will be increases. That's why I'm selecting in between 120 and 300 value here. Click on OK option. After this, directly click on the OK option in the ETABS detailing option, so that it will start the detailing in progress for this particular model. So after complete processing of the detailing, it will show in the complete reinforcement design results here like this. So which is consisting of the floor framing plan, rebar plan, and it will be consisting of the complete reinforcement design results related to slab section, beam sections, column sections, frame sections. So in my upcoming video, I will explain you how to read these particular results after the design by using ETABS software. I will explain you how to read the results after designing process by using CSI detailing ETABS software. So here I am selecting my ETABS detailing version software. It is consisting of the complete detailing results like component view, imported views and drawing sheets. So initially I am selecting component view. So it will be consisting of the options related to standard detailing. So in the standard detailing, it is consisting of the list of the drawings which is available in this particular section, and general notes if available. So this is the general notes related to this particular slab sections, beam sections, concrete column section. You can see here reinforcement longitudinal, and it will be consisting of concrete strength, and it will be consisting of complete values in the cover sheet. And a typical concrete beam elevation section. This is the elevation section for the particular beam which is considered in this project according to assumption. So click on the beam sections so that it will display the complete beam section A results, and concrete typical column section elevation, column section A. You can see this is the reinforcement bars which is consisting of the 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 6, which is approximately equal to 14 number of the bars. This is the curtailment column strips condition system for this section from the standard detailing. Again, it is consisting of the slab detailing second option which is related to this. So select the schedules and tables. So from this we have to select the bill of materials. It is consisting of complete abstract of the quantity of the material that is required for construction of this slab. Again, in the same process, rebar quantities. So length of the rebar and weight of the rebar which is required for this slab. And it will be consisting of framing plan for this section. Select here. It will be consisting of floor framing plan here. So if you select, it will show you the complete floor framing plan for this particular section. And rebar plan, this is the rebar plan for this particular section. So we have to give the output as rebar plan for the client based on the ETABS drawing file. So we have to select the top rebar plan. So this is the top rebar plan diagram, and this is the bottom rebar plan diagram for this particular section. In the same process, if you select all rebar plans, so that it will show you the complete rebar plan diagram for the slab panel. In the same process, select the top rebar all bars, so that it will display the all bars. Again, display the all bars. Section A, section B reinforcement profile here for the slab here like this, reinforcement profile for the B, bill of materials, and this is the quantity of the materials. In the same process, if you want to see the slab results as the complete realistic model, then you have to click on the rebar cage view option 5, so that it will display the complete rebar cage view option diagram which is related to the slab number 5 according to the considered load cases which is designed in ETABS software. Now we can see this is the complete diagram which is related to the slab reinforcement design results which is obtained from this slab section. It is consisting of complete reinforcing diagram here like this. In the same process, you can see the results for the different floors. Now I will explain you how to see the results of the beams by using ETABS detailing version software. Further, go to select the beam detailing, concrete beams. Again, it is consisting of the floor framing plan here like this. For this particular beam section, this is the floor framing plan for the beams, and this is the third floor, this is the second floor. So select the schedules and tables. It will be consisting of the complete schedules and tables which is used in this particular section. So you can see this is the beam number and span. This is the span length in mm, size of the beam which is used, and the longitudinal bars required for this particular beam from A section to G section. And this is the zone strips condition system which is used in this zone. 8 mm diameter bar which is used, 8 numbers of 10 mm diameter bar which are used, which is at a distance of 275 center to center distance for this particular zone. In the same process, it will be consisting of the second span number 2. It is consisting of span length and etc. here like this. It is also consisting of complete values which is related to second sheet, third sheet, fourth sheet, fifth sheet. You have to take the printout of this particular sheet and you have to summarize the results for the beam section. In the same process, we will select the elevations. Select any one of the elevation. So for example, just I am selecting 3, 6C, B4 option. So it will be consisting of the elevation of the beam. Section A, again it will be consisting of section B, C, D and reinforcement profile, rebar kgv material, bill of quantity, and click on the rebar kgv option so that it will load the complete diagram which is related to the rebar value diagram for the particular beam sections. Okay, now you can see this is the beam which is consisting of the reinforcement diagram. In the same process, you can select the column. So you can pick the column reinforcement column. So you can consider the framing plan. This is the floor framing plan which is nothing but the center to center distance between the column. And a column scheduling. This is the bill of material, rebar quantity plan. And elevation, select any one of the elevation. So here it is consisting of the same cross section for all the columns. It is getting same reinforcement for all the columns. Select elevation 1 so that it will show you the elevation 2. Section A, this is the A section. For this particular section, it is required approximately 3 bars of 14 mm diameter at this location, 3 14 mm diameter, 2 18 mm diameter, 2 14 mm diameter, which is required for this project. In the same process, we will select bill of material, rebar quantity, rebar kg option so that it will load the complete rebar kg view for this particular structural model for the column. You can see here, this is the column reinforcement design results which is obtained here, and this is the beam reinforcement design results which is obtained here for the column and section. So this is the complete process of checking the reinforcement design results by using ETABS detailing version software. So in my next coming video, I will explain you how to see the video representation process by using CSI detail viewer option. We'll see you in the next video.